My people, today na World No Tobacco Day, and I wan tell you na one story. E short but e go touch you na. Na about one man for my village and how cigar nearly send am go grave. My name na Dr. Toyin. You see, that man na strong man, but since when I small, na so I dey see am with cigar. Morning, night, no break. We know say e dey dig e own grave small small. One night, cough wan nearly carry am, e no fit breathe. Im wife dey cry, na im dem rush am go hospital. Na im doctor come say, "Oga, your lungs don spoil. If you no stop now, your family go soon miss you." Na im the man quiet. You can't cry small. But na that day, na im stop cigar. But to stop no easy. E dey vex, e dey sweat, body dey shout for more smoke. But im family support am, dem love am. Im wife hide lighter, dem dey pray for am every day. After 1 year, na im the man begin smile like before. E no dey cough again. Im skin come fresh and im heart come dey strong. Im come say, "I wish say I stop long time ago." My people, no let cigar deceive you. E dey kill slow slow. If you dey smoke, make you try stop. If you never start, no try am at all. Life sweet pass smoke. Love your body, love your people. This World No Tobacco Day, abeg drop that cigar. Pick life instead. If that man fit stop, you fit stop too. If you like this video, make you watch am again, make you share am, make you subscribe to my channel. And if to say you don't stop cigar or you know somebody, abeg yarn us for comment section. You fit save one life today. And until next time, smile because e dey healthy and make you stop that cigar. Una bye bye.